Let's learn colors.
Hello! I am white. White is my color. I am black. Black is my color. Look! The milk is white. The milk is white. The milk is white. The coffee is black. The coffee is black. The rabbit is white. The rabbit is white. The crow is black. The crow is black. Snow is white. The snow is white. The night is black. The night is black. Hi. Please tap like, subscribe, share. Bye.